much are these? Oh,
150. This one is a limited edition.
Oh my word. Look how slow rising this is.
So this is so adorable.
Sedona.s.t TV. Yeah! Hey everybody! It's Martha and Sedona! It should be Sedona and Martha because it's her channel. Today we are at Town Square. Okay, so today we're going to Justice. We're going to Justice! We heard they have squishies! In the meantime, we're going to run through this. 3, 2, 1!
Show me, sweetie.
Look at.
Yeah, they have lots here.
Oh, I love this. Can I look?
Yeah.
Are they still rising?
Yeah. Some of them. Oh, look.
Oh my gosh.
These are 150.
I thought you sold the other squishes too.
This is cute. It's amazing. Oh, look at this. How much are these? Oh, $1.
$1.50.
Oh my gosh, I can get this whole bag. Ooh, I like this one. I'm gonna walk away with a lot of squishies. These are really cute. So.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
I know that one is so slow rising.
Oh wait, I'm taking like all of these, so I'll put them all. Oh, I have one of those, but it's really dense.
This one is just so soft. It feels like squishy nothing.
This stuff is cheap here.
Yeah. Can you believe it that they have squishies at a stall just randomly on the street? Wow! Did you see the lightning?
This is my favorite mall now
Yeah.
because this is really nice. It's really pretty.
Okay guys, so before we go to Justice, we are gonna show you another Ibloom character.
Squishy packet.
As we promised you in the last video where we showed you the new Ibloom Squishy, Foxy Fox.
There's bugs on this table.
Ready? Look guys, there's lightning. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I literally felt. I literally
Here
saw.
they are. And the girls haven't seen them yet.
Oh
So.
my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, these are so right. Look at this one. Oh, no. Look at this one. It says Magical Bear Bakery. They smell good. Oh, okay, this one's my favorite. I like this one because it's like Galaxy. I have a Galaxy box. I know, it's all of that. And I'm so cute.
Okay, so they have names. So this one is Apollo Sweet and it's raspberry scented.
It's Apollo. Oh.
That one is called Shiny Rainbow.
And then.
Let's squish this. Oh my gosh, guys!
Oh my god! These are insane! Oh my word! Oh my word!
This is amazing. And that one is called Creamy Mermaid.
Oh, that one's cute. Creamy
Give it a
mermaid.
squish. And Creamy Mermaid smells like coconut.
It does? Oh, it does!
It does?
I love raspberry stuff, so I'm gonna open this and smell it. It smells like raspberry. Oh my
Yeah?
god. This one is definitely my favorite.
Yeah, the one Apollo.
It looks like Galaxy. Yeah, it's raspberry definitely. It has lots of scent. It's kind of crazy. Let me stop.
So the last one is called Candy Rainbow Marshmallow Scented.
Yay!
Maybe let's not open it because we might do a giveaway. And also one of them is rare, limited edition, Shiny Rainbow. This one is
That one's limited edition.
This one is a
That's
limited
so
edition.
cool. Oh my word. You know that water actually like cools you off. Like,
Thank you.
Ibloom. We really appreciate your hope and your joy for sending us these squishies, and we really appreciate it. So thank you so much, and we love you. Mwah.
And we absolutely adore these squishies. We are gonna do a giveaway After we show you all of the Ibloom Squishies, we'll do a giveaway because we don't know what else is in the package because there's more coming. We'll show you another one next week.
I really like this one. I think this is my favorite. This one's my favorite. This one's my favorite, and this one too. This one. I like the rainbow ones. These are mine.
Yeah, that's my favorite too. So cute.
Martha! Go save him! Go save him! Martha! Here you go. Oh my gosh! Thank you. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let's go to free pom-pom pens! But you need to ask for it.
Hi! We are back.
And your best.
So we heard you have squishies now.
Yeah.
Were you surprised?
I know. I was like, oh, like after you guys
Yeah.
came, like, we got it.
Okay, I love like this place because they have all the color changing things.
We are so excited.
I know. This good thing you got because we just got a whole bunch of things.
Oh,
So these are the
this one's so
keychains. $3.90, and then these are.
They're so cute.
Oh my gosh, this one. Look how slow rising this is.
There's those.
Mommy, can we please get
There's these too.
Sedona, look at these.
Oh my gosh.
They are so slow rising. Look, I love this one. Right there.
They're gonna be making a lot of money after you guys.
Yeah, you will. Look, it looks like Shopkins a little bit, doesn't
Yeah.
Oh, this one's.
it? Look at this. This is my favorite. I want one of these.
There's so many of these, but I only have 8.
And they're scented.
Oh.
Smells so good.
This one is the
And
most rising.
the poop. I love the poop.
Right?
That one.
That
poop,
one's-
poop.
They're awesome. And do that.
Thank
Mom
you.
wants that one.
I want to go do. Sedona, you want to go do the makeup real quick and then I'll come back to this.
They are so cute. Yeah, I think they will be in a lot of stores everywhere now.
Yeah. Well, we got it last week. Sold out.
Yeah, I'm not
then,
surprised.
And then we got them in this week again. And then this one is the keychain. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, they are amazing.
I know I do like that one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at these all. He's back on. Look, some makeup, some fake nails. Excuse me? Yeah. Can you please come over here? Sorry, not to be rude. I'm so sorry. Do you have any?
Oopsie.
Do you have any more makeup things?
To test. Is that
She would like to buy some makeup
I
things.
have
or beauty products.
I have some on clearance.
Yeah.
Like the mermaid ones.
Mermaid ones. Yeah. Look, sweetie.
So I have a small mermaid palette.
Do you have what do you have, like bronzers and stuff?
And I have a bronzer. Are you starting to do makeup too?
She wants to.
Yeah.
But
My brother does.
she takes mine and she makes a mess and she like digs into the
Yeah.
shadows, you know.
These are cute.
And look at this. There's a whole set.
There's like body paint. Well, this one's like all the body stuff. And
Okay.
then-
What do you like?
But on this,
Thank you.
You're welcome. I have the makeup palettes down here too. These are
Ooh.
both $14.90, but this one's bigger. So this one has
Wow.
100 different colors. These are like the lip glosses. Then you have your eyeshadows down here.
You have a little sister.
I have 2 sisters, but they're not like little anymore. And then this one's just has, it's the same thing, but this has half the colors. So it's 50.
You know what, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
I
What?
want to get.
The little makeup bags.
So
You like the brushes?
I want the brushes.
I like this one. It's like a metallic lip gloss, or like a sheer lip gloss, but it has like that metallic like sparkle.
Wait, this is color change.
So it goes from this color here, and then it goes to like a pinkish color after. Yeah.
That's so cool.
You want to do the pink one? This one's cute. It has like a little. It's just lip gloss, but it has
So cute.
flowers in it.
Wow.
So that's super
I was
cute.
gonna spend too much, but this already looks like $100. So.
I think we have a coupon. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but
I
we'll
didn't
see.
do my homework yet, so.
Uh-oh. But you got a very good report, didn't you? Okay, let's take it to the counter, see how much it is gonna be.
Oh my gosh.
Look at these.
Excuse me, do you sell JoJo bows?
I do, but I'm all out. No. They're so popular.
Wait, I still see some bows. Some other bows.
This is for the
Bamboozled!
gummy food versus.
This would be the best thing ever!
Yeah. I wanna do that with you guys.
Yeah, me too.
But they have slime too.
I know, that's what I really like that.
That's the Nickelodeon slime and the lava lamp. Guys, this hot dog looks so cute.
Mommy, look at those!
So is this what you're getting?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
Or if I have enough, I don't know.
Okay.
Yes.
What did you put in there? Oh, that one?
Two.
Cool. It says, "Hello, I love my family," and this one says Sedona from Kids TV by Sedona.
I was gonna put hashtag Sloth Squad, but I didn't.
Oh yeah. Subscribe to Pickle Sneaker Fritz. Okay guys, so this is the haul. Sedona just put the pants on. This is the adorable cookie squishy. Sedona wanted some makeup.
Yeah, we got a lot of things.
And so you got this one?
Yeah.
Cool. And a bag. And a really adorable sweater.
This goes on
It
your
says
pencil.
Believe.
Goes on your pencil, mommy.
It does? So this is so adorable.
I'm done.
Look how slow rising. Guys, this is amazing.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, squish that subscribe button. Yeah. Subscribe to Sedona. It's every day. Squish. It's Pickles Nickel Fritz. And then Alan, if you want to be in it, subscribe to AVH3 Designs.
Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Thank you so much for watching.
Comment down below if you had a chance to go and get the Justice Squishies yet.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Oh yeah.
I love you.
I'm naked. Bye.